and population density. Okay. Okay, boys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is population growth? What is population growth or a population explosion? So population growth means it is unexpectedly, naturally rising. The population is rising high. So it means what? Population growth. What is the meaning of population growth? The unnaturally, unexpectedly, the population is rising high. So it is known as population growth. In chapter number 8, we have learned overpopulation. We have learned overpopulation topic, girls, boys, sorry. We have learned overpopulation topic in chapter number 8. Yes or no? Boys, I am telling you. Boys. So now in 2001 the population was 102.87 crores. How much it was? 102.87 crores, and it increased up to 11. Okay, it was to the popular now increase. Boys, tell me yes or no. Boys, Mohammed Abbas, Mohammed Abbas, Rehan,
Yes, ma'am.
you have understood what I am teaching you.
बस आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, कट कट के आ रही है।
Now it is okay.
यस मैम।
Rehan, now it is okay.
यस मैम।
मिस
Okay.
मैम,
हाँ,
मैंने मेरा नाम का आईडी बना ली पर उसमें से ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहा।
that after we will discuss it after lecture. So, which are the reasons for population explosion? Which are the factors which are affecting, okay, population explosion? Now, in older times, what happens in olden times, before 2 decades, okay, the people were not getting food properly. People were not getting food regularly. They were dying due to famine, lack of medical facilities, because that time there was no ambulance. That time no ambulance facility was there. Okay, so people were dying. So due to that, the people death rate was high. But now after 2 decades, what happened? Transport, communication facilities, these all things have developed advanced. In advance it is developed. If we are if after 2 days there is cyclone going to come, then in news alertness will be spread that after 2 days this place is cyclone is going to come, so people be alert, don't go to near sea areas, don't go to near river areas. Okay, so this message is spreading in news, yes or no? So,
Yes, ma'am.
lifespan of people is increasing. Due to this, lifespan of people is increasing.
Yes, ma'am.
So birth rate is increasing. Okay. So population is increasing. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
People are going from nowadays. People are going from small towns to cities. Why they are going? Because there is good education facilities for business. They are going one country to another country. They are going. Why they are going? For good education for business. So this all the facilities are
Wait,
developed. Due
खाली
to
खाली
this,
से. खाली.
our population is high. Okay. So who will read what is
Yes, ma'am.
population growth? What is population explosion? Who will read? Who will read? Rehan?
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, can I read?
Yes.
Population explosion. There has been an increase of 18.1 crore in the population of India from 2001 to 2011. Still, the rate of population growth has shown a decrease. This is a noteworthy point. Moreover, there has been an increase in educated citizens. The population of India in 2001 was 102.87 crores, which has increased by up to 101.01 crores in the year 2011.
Okay, so how much it was increased? How much percentage it was increased by 10 years?
1.7. Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Mohammed Bar, I am telling, read the next paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. The central government has been really worried about the population explosion and thus it has always tried to control it through various policies and other measures. Consequently, the rate of population growth has declined by 1.7%.
So, what is happening due to this population explosion? Due to overpopulation, our government has taken some tests, taken some steps. Some measures have been taken by the government for the awareness of population. Okay, which are the reasons for population explosion? Read.
Reasons for population explosion. Population increase is as natural as birth and death rate, but there are various factors responsible for population explosion, which include migrants from other countries, industry and business. People migrate for education and business.
Okay, so people are migrating from one country to another for the good education, for good business. Okay, next. So due to this, population is increasing. Read.
The rate of population growth has gone up in last 2 decades. Previously, the rate of population growth was low as infant
So I have told
mortality
you
rate
why it
was
was
high.
low. Wait, why it was low? First of all, the disease was spread, that is cholera, typhoid, and plague. So due to this, the people was not getting proper food. They were suffering from famine. Okay, they were having lack of medical facilities. Okay, then no transportation modes were given to the people. So due to this, the number of death was increased. Due to this, our population was also decreasing. But nowadays, this all the technology has come. Okay, if we are suffering from any disease, then we call to 108, ambulance will come, and in that our doctor is also there, so you can get fastest treatment, so your life will be saved. So our population is increasing due to this advanced technologies. Okay,
There
read.
was there was no control over disease. like cholera, typhoid, plague, etc. People died due to hunger during famine, and there was no facility of immediate medical treatment. The mode of transport and roads were improper. The number of deaths of pregnant women was high. Thus, these reasons contributed to decreased great rate of growth of
Of
population.
population. I have explained you. Next.
The scenario today has completely changed. Food and nutrition is now easily available. Communicable diseases are under control due to advanced medical treatment. Immediate medical facility, speedy mode of transport, and communication are easily available. Pre-disaster management and post-disaster management has become possible, and people
I
who
have
get
told
affected.
you that if cyclone or if tsunami or somewhat any disaster is going to come, natural disaster is going to come, then we get alert news from the television, okay, from the news we get the news that be aware, don't go to these places, okay. So due to this the lifespan of people is increasing. Next.
Speedy mode of transport and communication are easily available. Pre-disaster management and post-disaster management has become possible, and people who get affected are rehabilitated, and thus death rate has decreased. This
Due to
has
this all
led
reason, due to all this reason, death rate has decreased.
this has led to population explosion. Apart from the above factors, the lifespan of human being has improved. The average lifespan of human being is 1920.
19 living till 40 to 41 years. But due to this improvement, our
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
63 to 64 years. Our lifespan has increased due to these facilities. So our age nowadays, our lifespan is about 63 to 64 years, and 1920 it was about 40 to 41 years. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Boys,
ma'am.
read.
Was 40 to 41
Mohammed
years,
Abbas, read.
which has now improved to 63 to 64 years. Various reasons have been responsible for increase in birth rate. The main reasons that can be cited are illiteracy, superstitions, beliefs, orthodox thinking, customs, child marriage, poverty, widow remarriage, lack of adult concept of small family, etc. All the above
So
factors.
these are the reasons. These all are the factors which are due to this all factors our population is getting increased. Okay.
All the above factors have led to population growth. Due to population explosive, certain management related problems have cropped, for example, food, water, residence, environmental pollution, conservation, employment, traffic control, etc. Many rules and careful measures have to be planned.
So our government has passed many laws. If the child is getting marriage, if the male child is getting marriage under the age of 21, then he will be punished, and girls age should be 18. After that only they can get married. If they have done before that, then they will be punished. Okay. And then for that, government has also explained what is small family, what is big family. If we are living in small family, then if your mother or father is having only two child, okay, so they can give you good education. They can fulfill all your necessities. Okay, all the necessary things should be fulfilled by your mother or father. Next, what is population density? What is population density? Okay, for example, if you are living in the area that is Shishuvihar, we take it for example, if you are living in Shishuvihar area, Shishuviyar area, and it is spread up to 4 kilometers. That area is spread up to 4 kilometers. Okay, and in that area, thousands people are living. How many people are living? Thousand people.
Thousands.
So per area, per 1 kilometer, how many persons are living? 250 person. Okay, in 1 kilometer, how many people are living? 250 person. So this is population density, the number of people living per square kilometer. Number of people living per square kilometer in an area. Okay, we are talking about area. Shishuviyar is about 4 kilometer. It is spread about how many kilometers? 4 kilometer. Okay, but how many people are living? 1,000 people are living. So 1,000 upon 4, number of people upon number of square kilometer. Okay, so what is
Yes, ma'am.
population density? You understood?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Some
Yes,
factors
ma'am.
which are affecting density of population are social, economical, and geographical. Some days natural climate are changing. Okay, naturally climate are changing. Economically, some taxes we can't pay. Social means our culture is living in past, and these all things affecting population density. Then for example I give you that if you are living near river area, fertile lands, your climate is good, their population is very high. But if you are living near forest area, desert area, hill area, so there is unfavorable conditions. Suppose if you are living near in Kashmir, their population will be low. Why? Because it is a hilly area. Okay, there but there is factors which we are affecting density of population. Understood, boys? What is population density?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read.
Population density.
Who will read?
The proportion of population residing in a specific area is
Precisely.
population density. In short, the average number of persons living per square kilometer area is termed as population density. Population density is associated with social, economical, and geographical situation.
I have told you that it is related to which areas, that is social, geographical, and economical. Then
The population in all the countries is very different. In our country also, various areas and states don't have some population. There is no
okay, so wait. All the countries are not having same population. Okay, in all the states also there is no having same population. If one year if the population is decreasing, then next year the population is going high. It is not uniform. Okay, that it move in only one line. Okay, it is non-uniform. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
There is no uniformity. Population density is high in areas near the bank of rivers, industrial area, fertile regions of peninsular
Similar
area,
area.
etc. But in other areas like desert, hilly areas, forest area, the population density is low due to
I have informed
unfavorable
you that which
situations.
place is having highest population dense, that is river area, industrial area, fertile regions, and having low, that is desert, hilly areas, forest area, where the population density is low because there is unfavorable climate or unfavorable situation. Next. Due to this, our climate and weather and this all the things are changing, so it is affecting in employment opportunities, in urbanization, education, this availability are going good. We are getting advanced technology, so due to this density of population is also increasing. Great.
Factors affecting dense population. Density of population is affected by various factors of environment like altitude, climate, weather, energy sources, etc. Apart from their availability, transport, communication, education facilities, health, industrialization, employment opportunities, urbanization, latest technology, etc. also affects density of population.
Okay, so understood this one? So now
Yes,
which are the
ma'am.
five states
Yes,
having
ma'am.
maximum population in our country? Which are the five states having maximum population? That is
Uttar
Uttar
Pradesh,
Pradesh,
Maharashtra,
Maharashtra,
Bihar,
Bihar, West
West
Bengal,
Bengal, and Andhra
and
Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh, and having least population. Where it is? It is in
Lakshadweep
Union
Islands,
Territory,
Diu
Diu
and
and Daman,
Daman,
Dadar Nagar
Dagar, and Nagar Haveli, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and Sikkim.
and Sikkim. So understood what is population growth and
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is population density?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So so
Yes, ma'am.
you understood what is population growth? Boys,
Yes, ma'am.
any
Understood.
doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
100%? 100% no doubts?
मैम अभी नहीं है, बाद में शायद हो सकते हैं.
Huh? Who will tell me what is population growth? Who will tell me what is population growth? Boys, Muhammad Ali, Muhammad Ali,
Yes.
what is population growth?
Your voice is not coming.
What is population growth?
Hello.
Now my voice is clear. What is population growth? Tell me.
Miss Pass.
Hmm? What is population growth? Who will tell me? Saki, Lakhani Saki. Saki Lakhani, unmute your mic. Boys, I am asking you. Anyone? Arsh?
मैम मेरी आईडी का क्या करूँ?
Arsh?
यस मैम.
What is population growth?
The increase in population.
Okay, increase in population per area.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, which are the reasons due to that the population is increasing, population is getting high?
Can I say, ma'am?
Yes.
Because of technology.
Which technology?
Means fast